everyone, and welcome back to another What's for Dinner. I'm back to make you hungry again. I have a few meals to share, so let's get started. Ranch pork chops in the crock pot, homemade mashed potatoes, a buttered roll, and green beans. So yummy. If you've not tried ranch pork chops in the crock pot, it's so yummy. Most of these recipes will be in the Kitchen playlist linked in the description box and in the cards. Ranch pork chops and mashed potatoes is definitely like a comfort kind of meal. Deviled eggs, sauerkraut, and barbecue meatballs. The sweetness of the meatballs goes really well with the sauerkraut, the sweet and the kind of sour. Thrown together meal, but all the sides really played off of one another. It was really tasty. It had a sweet savory with the kind of tangy sour of the sauerkraut and the deviled eggs. It was really nice. I fried some fish up, so it's just some tilapia, raw tilapia that I breaded myself and fried on the stove, hush puppies, and some french fries on the side. This is like I feel like having Captain D's meal or Long John Silver's, but don't want to spend all that money, and so we just make it at home for a fraction of the price. And you can never go wrong with breakfast for dinner. So this is blueberry pancakes. So yummy, super easy, very quick. Yeah, sometimes we have bacon with it, sometimes we have sausage. This night I just done blueberry pancakes. This is one of our I'm busy night quickly thrown together meal. Is the Hamburger Helper beef stroganoff and instant mashed potatoes. They are the cheddar sour cream instant potatoes and peas on the side. If we have Hamburger Helper in my house, we always have peas on the side. So yeah, this is an easy thrown together, very quick meal. We enjoy it, but definitely save this meal for days that we're going to be busy. Spaghetti and garlic bread, always so yummy, classic. I made a garlic herb pork tenderloin in the crock pot. I made homemade garlic toast, homemade mashed potatoes, and shells and cheese. Super delicious, giving comfort food vibes. It was so good. Next up, for my birthday, I wanted pizza. So we got Papa John's pepperoni pizza. Papa John's has the best pizza there is ever. Hands down, Papa John's #1 S tier pizza, at least for our family. Second one probably actually Little Caesars over the other pizza places we have in our area, but Papa John's all the way. So this is what I had for my birthday. And on this night I made chicken quesadillas. So yummy, and on the side had some sour cream and some mild taco sauce. Always a hit. It is one of those meals that you never have any leftovers. It's quick and easy, super tasty, and everyone loves it. Another really simple night, because I feel like I do a lot of simple stuff or a lot of crock pot meals during the summertime because of the heat. Like, I live in Kentucky and we have very humid, hot summers. So yeah. So this is tuna salad on toast with bread and butter, pickles on the side, and a boiled egg. Really filling, super simple, and really tasty. The last and final meal I have to share with you is a seasoned herb and garlic pork chop that I baked in the oven, green beans, scalloped potatoes, and a buttered roll. Once again, super easy, super tasty, and you can't go wrong with a pork chop. So that is all of the meals that I have to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it made you hungry. Thank you so very much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional links and a playlist.